Hi guys, Lukman here. So I just received this DBRAND skin from obviously DBRAND. So it took about 9 days to arrive from Toronto, Canada to here, Malaysia. So I'm really excited that I went and picked it up myself at the shipping company. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, guess which brand did I got? So I got the one with the MKBHD's icon skin, the triple black edition for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And then here is the mask. So I will probably continue this at home. For the mask, I think we can wear this straight away. Wow, it feels premium, a bit thinner. And then yeah, I'm not sure if you can see this. You can see this. Here is the triple black edition. Okay, so let's put this on. Smells nice. Let me take a deep breath. Oh, it is so satisfying, the smell of it. And then it's really thin. I think this is the first time that I can wear a mask without it being foggy in my glass. Yeah, so for those with a glass, this is recommended, because let me show you. If you have this, something like this that I have previously, oh, it's not working this time. So this normal one, if I'm wearing this normal one, okay, why is it when I'm showing this on the video it's not fogging my glass? But anyway, whenever I go to the supermarket and everywhere, whenever I am wearing those two, I need to adjust my glass to be like in front like this to make it not foggy. So this one is perfect for now anyway. So maybe if it's changing, I will probably make a review about it. So yeah, looks good, feels good, looks nice. So here's the pencil box case that it came with, very premium. I will continue this at home. Okay, now that I'm home, let's go through the packaging here. So as you know, this contains the mask, which I have already shown. Okay, so there's this. Ta-da! Okay, this is the result. Let's zoom that back out a bit. Okay, so this is the skin packaging, already shown just a bit in the car just now, but I have already taken out the other one. So there's two skins, one with the precision fit, and this is the standard fit. The standard fit only covers the back of it, and the precision fit will cover all of the sides. So if you notice, the camera cutout here is gone because I messed up the installation on the precision ones, and then I had to throw that out, and this one I had to take this one instead. Okay, that is out of the way. This one, just a pretty packaging. Done. Okay, so let's start with the sides. Not sure if you can see this. Let's zoom that back in. Okay, starting from here, no issues. See, that's nice there, nice, still nice. A bit of margin here on the SIM card tray, also in the volume button, and then goes to the mute switch. Oh, let me toggle that to show you guys. Okay, and then okay, here's the disasters are starting to happen. It's it looks like a wrinkle here, so here at the back, and then when I try to peel it, it almost damaged this front part, so I put that back. That's one part, one damage. Okay, go through that side, and then there's a bit of a gap here. Okay, on this side, the power button fits perfectly. Everything looks good. Okay, now the sides is done. Let's see the back. Okay, the back, pretty much everything is perfect except this part. There's like a sand there or dirt. I have already removed it, but it's still popping out and I have a feel of it. I have removed it though. This is my second attempt on the lens, so it's kind of perfect actually. So how does it feel? If you follow the DBRAND's tutorial, you need to wipe this about 5 to 10 seconds to be able to make it smooth, and it is really working. So it feels one with the phone, except the top that I have issues with, which is here. Whenever I'm holding like this, I will probably feel the hard edges, but I think it will goes away over time. Okay, now let's look at it in all of its glory in this cinematic video. Oh, sorry for the sound effect, it just came out automatically. Okay, let's try to zoom that in. Another cinematic one. The skin feels really nice in the hand, and then I feels like I'm going to run it naked, because when I try to put on the case, here is my wrinkle case, it's sort of like pushing the sides here, the flap on the top and the bottom, so looks like it tries to damage the skin. So I'm not going to risk that because the skin is too expensive. I know I have this standard skin, but I want to cover the sides also. My recommendation, if you watch the DBRAND tutorial, they will actually tell you to start from the bottom of it, the bottom of the phone. My recommendation is to start from the top, because you will have a hard time aligning this this part, the camera part, because it is you probably need to stretch it quite a bit. Use the hair dryer to make it soft, and then you have to force it to be able to do this, and I had to remove it twice. Okay, so I guess that's about it. That's all from me now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like this video if you liked it. Oh, my hands is too big. And then dislike if you dislike it. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.